Come on, applause.
To witness a wonderful fashion program. I really appreciate the effort taken by the children and the motivating force, the parents and the directors behind the scenes and the teachers for giving intensive training for the students in various cultural activities. Especially I am very happy to see the classical dance Om Namah Shivaya presented by Sushmita of class 7 and Geetamani of class 7. And a classical dance by Kumari Rupa class 2, Tadavata Annacharya, the song devotee of Lord Venkateshwara, wrote nearly 5,000 Annamacharya Kirtanas. Every day I used to listen to the Annamacharya song through my CD. I am very happy to see the performance of Kumari Rupa of class 2, who presented the song Adigo and Aladigo. There are a number of Annamacharya Kirtanas. The girl who is in class 12 made an excellent program, and I appreciate the parents, the mother who has taken the interest in giving training to the child. And also, I congratulate all the students who have presented the various cultural programs, maybe a group song and maybe a group dance. I thank from the core of my heart this lovely Bhattacharya and other teachers for giving the time to the teachers. On the occasion of the 63rd Republic Day celebration, I convey my best wishes to the students, staff, and particularly the parents of this Vidyalaya. We love our national flag. We love our national flag, our marches, our religion, our heritage, our culture, and above all, our motherland, the happy Republic Day. And there is only one nation, the nation of humanity. And there is only one religion, the religion of love. And there is only one language, the language of God. And there is only one God, and He is omnipresent. I convey my special greetings, especially the members of the Vidyalaya Management Committee and other dignitaries who are kind enough to accept our invitation and make this program a grand success by their presence. 26th January is a very important day in our nation's calendar, when we celebrate the free establishment of India as a republic based on the ideology of justice and equality. It is the day when we recall with gratitude the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the work of founding fathers for giving to us a country where our dignity and individual freedom are guaranteed by an enlightened constitution. For our achievement, the foremost credit goes to the millions of men and women of our country who dedicated their lives for the cause of the nation. We are witness of the increasing influence of India and its trade economic growth that has brought prosperity to an increasing number of people. Let me remember about Dr. Swaminathan, a great scientist in the field of agriculture, who brought a great revolution in the food production and made India a self-sufficient in the food production, because the population is increasing in geometrical ratio and food production is increasing in mathematical ratio. At this juncture, we need the second green revolution to make our country self-sufficient and we be able to maintain buffer stock of food production. The government of India guarantees the food to each and every citizen of India through public distribution system. So on this auspicious occasion, I once again convey my best wishes to all the members of the staff, students and parents of this Vidyalaya. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. Respected principal, dear parents, and my dear children, I love India. I remember all those freedom fighters who brought independence and republic to our motherland. I thank our principal sir who has given me the privileged opportunity to present a patriotic song. I dedicate this song to all the freedom fighters. Bharat Mataku Jai Jai. Bharat Mataku Jai Jai.
mentioned history, all the programs, excellent and outstanding. You can see wonderful support from the parents, the interest teachers, who took lot of pains and preparation to make every program success. I thank all the children who participated in dances, songs, in various items. I also thank the peer system which made this program a grand success. I thank our art teachers, colorful chapel. Children, it would not have become a great success. We have taken a lot of interest in me. Right from the January, I said up to yesterday. Every day used to practice, used to watch. You are doing fine and fine, practicing and practicing to bring the perfection and completeness to the program that is given to you. I once again thank all the participants in this and our values to the future generation. It is a school, it is a platform for all the students, and it is areas to give.
One by one, not like that.